and always were seen to be a little bit ahead of our public school students. And that's when I realized where small class sizes really make a difference in the education of our young people. And I began my fight to ensure that we had a smaller class size. I was one of the first Beacon schools to hire teachers, because usually you have activity specialists, so it's kind of teens mentoring the younger children. But I believe that my community deserved quality, so I was able to hire teachers to work in our schools. And being the director of PS19 allowed me the opportunity to also hire my fourth and third grade teachers. So talk about a cool opportunity to be able to hire your own teachers that taught you. So that was really amazing for me. Soon after that, I became a delegate to the National Convention, which was an amazing opportunity afforded to me by Assemblyman Ivan Lafayette, who actually officially endorsed me today, so I'm very happy. So he afforded me this opportunity with Congressman Crowley to be a delegate to the National Convention. And that's way before anybody knew what delegate was. People didn't really have an understanding. And I thank Hillary and Obama's election this year for us to have an even better understanding of the political process, understanding the importance of being a delegate to a national convention, where their monies were going and how we were going to move forward. So when we talk about, that's my plan. My plan is to not have to wait till some statistic or some report says it, but that you know that I will give you that. I will tell you where every dollar goes, and you have that commitment for me. And also understand, I didn't wake up yesterday and say I want to run for office. This is a commitment that I've had for a long time. I was raised in this community. I have dedicated my entire life to public service. This is not a career choice. This is not something that's benefiting me now. I wasn't in a corporate job and said, oh, you know what, I think I'm going to run for office. I wasn't running a business and said, oh, I think I'm going to run for office. I wasn't retired and said, oh, I want to run for office. No, I've been fighting, I've been working, and I want you all to know that you can believe in me and that I will always be a fighter for you. Thank you.